how to convert 15 microgram to milligram. To cancel this microgram to milligram, to cancel this microgram part will be denominator, so that you can cancel, so this part will be numerator. So 15 times 115 divided by 1000 milligram. 10, 100,000, these are called power of 10. So to divide a whole number by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zero here is 3. Decimal point will move 3 places. So this is the whole number. So decimal point will appear here 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus. So decimal 0.15 milligram. This is the answer.